Yet another video of accessories, this time part 2. This is the continuation of the first video that I released last week of the accessories that I got recently from FANSXPENG, and I will show you today some more accessories that I got from them. So welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and this is the EV Owner's Diaries, my journey from a nice car to an EV with my XPeng G6. So if you saw my short about accessories, you know that there are still missing some accessories that I got from FANSXPENG that I didn't show on part 1, and that's why we have part 2. And again, guys, these accessories were sent by FANSXPENG for free so that I could test them, install them, and show you what they can bring to you as an owner of an XPeng. And as I said on the first video, I do have a referral link, and if you decide to buy with that, I will get a commission. And so thank you very much for that support that you are providing to the channel. So let's go and check the remaining accessories that I got from FANSXPENG. Let's go. These next accessories are in fact real for protection, and they do look cool, but you will not see them a lot because the seats will be a little bit on the back. These are meant to just keep these things here that are the air vents for the back seats protected. As you can see, originally they are fully open. And imagine the situation that you have some dirt and you have some coins or something like that, and the people in here inside can just throw things here and they can enter in these air vents and make a problem in your car. And this, what it makes is just protects it like this. Okay, so it will glue here and will protect these air vents with the symbol of the XPeng, so it will look cool. I just took the plastic out, as you can see, one with the plastic and the other one without it. And as you can see, it does look cool, right? So it looks like it was meant to be here from day one. So let's just install these ones. So I'm taking the glue here. And now let's align. Make them enter and just press here on the top, and that's it. It's glued. Okay. And this is how they look now after being installed. So as you can see, in the normal position, no one will see them unless they just go down, and it will be right there. So this one, as you can see, it's really just for protection. So those air ducts are really open, and I do believe that we should put some protection over there. As you can see, in the normal position of the seats, you will not be able even to see these protections. So I do believe that they look nice, but it's not for looks. It's just for protection. So it is what it is. So let's install now these ones. So these are the original ones. So they do have a cover here that I need to peel out. Okay, so I need to understand how to peel out. At least this one has a cover here, but these ones I don't think so. So I need to see and clean these very well. And let's just first vacuum a little bit this part. So I already vacuumed, but there is still dirt here. But luckily they sent here some cleaning towels so that we can clean everything, because at least on this one, it seems that it glues down to the place. And here they are after installed. So I do think that they look cool. So, but let me enter in the car and see how they feel like. Let me just put it like this. This is the accelerator. Yeah, it does look cool. And this is the brake. And I think they look much better than the original ones. This one here, you need to use the tool that they sent just to make it fit, because it's a cover. And this one is just added on top of the original one. But they do look cool. And they have these rubbers here so that it has some traction to your feet. So I have to be very honest with these ones. I love them. I love them. The way they look inside the car, it's amazing. The way that they work, it's more or less the same as the original ones. You will not feel any problem while using them if they are correctly attached. It does take a bit to install them. It's really tough, especially the brake pedal. But the reality is that after installed, I don't feel that there is any problem with them. So they do sit there very well. And I believe that the looks of these pedals compared with the original ones, there is no comparison at all. I think this is a must-have for anyone that wants to bring the XPeng looks to a more aggressive, more sporty look in the car.
These ones are just protective covers for the entry of the car. As you can see, I have already cleaned, okay? But you see that for the entry and exit of the persons, it's still very marked already. So I will clean it again, but I promised that I already cleaned these blocks. So these are gonna be here. So it will just protect here this part. Also here, the same for the back seat. I have already cleaned this, but as soon as it dries, it will show all these scratches. So unfortunately, I didn't install these the first time that I got the car. So this one goes here. As you can see, it has this cut for this part. So let me show you the first one that I just installed. And as you can see, so it fits pretty well. It looks really nice. So I don't have already the marks here. And I got here a little bit. I am terrible applying this type of stuff. But if you do this and if you are better than me, then this will look like even better. But it does look fine for me. And this is easy to take out. So if I don't like it or if the kids just ruin them, I will then just replace them. So let me install all the other ones. Another one just installed in the back seat. So it does look nice, guys. It looks like a part. So I don't like this strip here that looks like it was something headed, but on this side it looks good. But the idea here is just to protect. Let me show you the entry. And here in the front seats, as you can see, this looks like this. So I do feel that it's not the best thing in terms of looking, but it does protect the plastics in the entry.
So these ones I have mixed feelings. I have mixed feelings because I don't like the looks of them. I do believe that they will look much better in black cars. I didn't use the full set, but the ones that I used, I think that they are useful for protecting the original materials. You could see that those plastics are already very scratched because of my kids entering. You know that a lot of dirt, sand, it's coming with their shoes. And especially the youngest ones, they put the feet there and they even jump there. So it's a bit of a mess. So you saw, it's the only thing that I believe inside my car after 1 year of use that looks like used, okay? And if I had these since day one, maybe I would not have the original materials like that. But the mixed feeling comes from the fact that I really don't like the look of them. So I do believe that these ones just on the inside, as they are black, they are more or less okay, but I cannot put on my white part of the car this black thing there, because I do believe that they will look very bad. It's very strange. But on the insides, I will keep using these, even if they get loose or if my kids make something, I will buy additional ones so that I can keep the materials, the original ones, in the best condition possible.
Finally, we have also this one that it's just this amount of thing that it's used to protect this side of the doors here, so that you can put this here. And so it is protected when you eat all. So if you are opening your door, You see that I have put on my house these foams here, but of course I cannot take these foams with me for every place. So if I just go to another place where there is a hole, I have this problem that the door can eat the hole, and these things here can then protect it because they will stay here. Let me just try. So it's very easy to put, in fact. Okay. So we just need to slide it in, and then we need to cut it here. But let me show you. As you can see, it has this part that it's the glue that I will put it on the other side, of course. Let me show you how it is now. So as you can see, it is installed. Okay, the door is closed. I should have cleaned these first, but it is what it is. I can clean it, of course, but it's like this. So this is the door closed. You see it? And let me open. And you can see that then there is this part here that it's now glued. I will open it a bit so that I can just clean that section there.
This last one also brings double feelings for me. I do believe that we should have something to protect the doors, especially in places like I have in my house, that the doors are always in contact with my walls in that parking space. And with kids, you know how they are. They will open the door, and after eating on the wall, they will look at you and say, "Oh, sorry." And this doesn't make the door look better because the paint will have problems, of course. I have one door already with that problem. But I don't know, this looks like it's really double feelings. I will keep them, of course. You know that I have installed in my walls those foams, so to protect my doors from opening and eat the walls. But the problem is that the problem that I have currently in one of the doors, it's because it was made in a different place. And we cannot take the foams with us for every place, and this just protects the car. So it's up to you guys. Look at this, see if this makes sense for you. So this is it, guys. Again, I hope this helped you to identify the best accessories to install in your cars. Of course, and it's important to say, because many people already commented that on the previous accessories videos that I made, you need to make sure, because some of these accessories will work on a pre-facelift but will not be the best ones for the facelift version. So if you have any doubts, you can contact the people on FANSXPENG. They will reply to you and they will help you to identify the best accessory for your model if you have any doubts. So guys, thank you very much again for watching this video. And finally, if you then decide to buy any accessories and use my referral link, thank you very much for that, because you are helping to support the channel. And I hope this at least helped you to identify the best accessories for your car. Thank you very much again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.